One of the videos on my channel violated YouTube community guidelines, and as a result, I received a warning. As you can see here, I have an active warning, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so typically a warning is not a strike. As you can see here, it is a warning. And as a result, the content was removed. So when you get this warning or a strike, you want to go ahead and take some actions for you to fix this. You're given an option either to go ahead and appeal if you think this was done wrongfully. And you can simply do this by going to your email, because you can see the same will be sent to your email. You can go ahead and review and take an action. If you click on review, it will take you back to your channel where you can appeal, and then should this have been done wrongfully, your video will be reinstated and the warning or the strike lifted. So however, for my case, I didn't appeal, and what I did, I just went ahead and followed the steps that I was given to fix the situation. In the first instance, you need to go ahead and take a training that you learn about the guidelines, and that's exactly what I did. Because I didn't want to appeal, the warning was going to stay for the next 90 days. You're told here, you have received a warning if you select action. You can appeal if you think we got it wrong, and you can also take an optional training to remove the warning after 90 days. So that's what I did. I also went ahead and deleted the video because indeed it violated the guideline, the community guideline, but that didn't remove the warning. As you can see here, even after completing the training, you have to wait for 90 days for this warning to be removed from your channel. However, you have to note that if you violate this policy again within 90 days of completing the training policy, you will get a strike. That's where the difference comes in. A strike is more serious than a warning. You are told that you won't be able to do things like upload, post, or live stream for 1 week should you get a strike within the 90 days of your current warning. So you have to be very careful and cross-check your channel to make sure that you don't have any other content that might receive a strike, because this will adversely affect you. So for my case, I went ahead, did the training and removed the content. I had an option just to leave it there as well because it was no longer on my channel. And now, because you are aware of the repercussions, you are told you completed the policy training. If you violate this policy again, you will get a strike, just as we have been told here. So for this warning, as you can see, even after doing that, it is still on my channel, and I have to wait until the 90 days expires. You can see the expiry date is here. So all you have to do is just to be patient and make sure you don't violate any community guideline. And now look at this after 90 days. Now look at my channel, look at my dashboard. The warning is no longer available because the 90 days have elapsed. So that's how you can fix this issue related to community guideline strikes or getting a warning on your YouTube channel. And now my channel is clean after 90 days of waiting. So those are the two options you can use to fix any issue with YouTube strikes and warnings. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.